This is a weaponless war, ammunition the power. We don't have to even lift a finger. The ambassadors what come from afar, not to be crucified but to conquer. It's time for a change, time to rearrange, reprogram, reconstruct and reordain. Those that set the trap, they shout for their end. Revenge is coming. Judgment come. Armageddon. Babylon was a target. Jah were the arrow in we hand. It's too late for excuses. This time no cooperation. I know passion, child of the dumb, constantly crushing the needy one. Thus you shall eat till your days are done, destined to pay you to troublesome. You don't get away with too much slackness.